In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export contacts to Klaviyo. The goal here is simple. You are going to create a new list inside Klaviyo, then upload your contacts from a CSV file so they are stored and ready to use for campaigns and flows. Start by signing in to your Klaviyo account and looking at the left-hand navigation. Find Audience, then go into Lists and Segments. This is the area where Klaviyo stores groups of contacts, whether they are full lists or filtered segments. Since you are bringing in a set of contacts from a file, you will want to create a list first. Inside Lists and Segments, choose the option to create a new item. Click Create, then select List. This tells Klaviyo that you are making a standalone collection of contacts that you can email, exclude, or build automations around later. Now you will name the list. Enter the list name as My Contacts, then click Create List. Using a clear name is helpful, especially if you manage multiple lists, because it makes it easier to select the right audience when you send an email or set up a flow. Once the list is created, you will upload your contacts. Click Upload from CSV. This option is designed for importing contact data in a spreadsheet format. Before you continue, make sure your CSV file is saved on your computer in a place you can find quickly, and that it includes the contact fields you need, like email address, and any other columns you plan to use for personalization or segmentation. Next, choose your file by selecting it from your computer. After the file is selected, click Next, and then click Import. Klaviyo will begin bringing those contacts into the My Contacts list. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a moment. After the import finishes, your contacts will be available in that list, and you can use them as your sending audience going forward. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.